guys, welcome back to my channel. So Raksha Bandhan is just around the corner and I thought let's share the styles that you can definitely wear this Raksha Bandhan. And in this video I'll be sharing few styles that you can wear this Raksha Bandhan together with how to reuse your old ethnic wear or traditional wear this Raksha Bandhan by just creating a different look altogether. So I'll be showing everything to you. So watch till the end to know one of those most special go-to hack that you can actually do with any kurta and wear it for a new look altogether. And if you like my video, like my content, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I post all the this kind of videos very frequently. So yeah, let's get started.
So my first style would definitely be a simple chiffon sari. That is definitely a go-to for Raksha Bandhan or any light festival. And I'm wearing this with a twist where I'm wearing it with a crop top. So yes, you can definitely reuse your saris, chiffon, Georgette saris with a crop top. These look very trendy, and since it's a Raksha Bandhan, you can definitely wear and experiment the style. It will look really gorgeous. You can definitely add jewelry to this, especially the rusted jewelry. This is really in trend these days. So rusted jewelry with chiffon saris and a crop top, this will make a perfect style for this Raksha Bandhan, and you will stand out definitely with this. Next would be a maxi dress. So a maxi dress, again chiffon or georgette, which is free flowing and that too in a bright color like yellow, is definitely very cool. You can use it for outings and you can definitely use it for festivals like Raksha Bandhan, where you don't want to wear something very heavy. And when you accessorize it with a good neck piece, it will definitely add on to your charm and you can definitely wear it. We can definitely experiment a lot of styles with this kind of a plain attire or plain outfit. So there are a lot of options that you can do. A heavy jewelry, a heavy statement earrings will make it very much stand out, and you can just enhance your style game with this kind of an outfit. And then we can definitely experiment with anarkali like this. So you can find your kurtas again which will look good. So you can wear another kurta over your anarkali and make it a different kind of a maxi and create a different look altogether. So I am wearing here my kurta which is with skirt. So you can find out your kurtas and wear it over your anarkali to make it a different outfit altogether. This will make it heavy as well as make it appropriate, and will completely change your game, and you can definitely use it as a completely different outfit. You can also wear a belt on your waist, which will again enhance your waist, and you can pair it with the rusted jewelry and will give you a very boho kind of a look, a very chic and a casual look. You can use this kind of outfit if you just want to look cool and just want to enjoy without wearing anything heavy. The last experiment with this kind of a kurta will definitely be with your chunni. So you can use your heavy chunni or your lightweight dupatta, and you can do something like this to create a different look altogether. See how this turned as a jacket. It's very good, very cool. You can just wear it. You don't have to wear about the dupatta going down. You don't have to pin it up, and it will give a different look altogether. And since it's a Raksha Bandhan day function, so you can just feel breezy with it and just use accessories to stand out. So last would be lightweight kurta and a plazo. So you definitely would have a lightweight kurta or a plazo, or with leggings or anything of pants. But what you can do is this. So you can wear any kurta with combination skirt. So this is definitely my favorite go-to style. So this works with any kurta actually. You just need to have appropriate skirt with it. So generally all the kurtas have a golden tinge or golden work. So if you have a golden skirt, you can just pair that golden skirt with your kurta, and it will definitely create a different outfit altogether, and it will enhance your look. It will make that outfit heavy. And similarly, if you have a red skirt or with any other outfit, you can just pair it up with any kurta which.
So guys, this was my last style and my last go-to style, which is really a savior. You can do that with any of your kurta. So yes, that's it for today's video. So if you like the video, please go and press the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, and do press the bell icon so that you know whenever I post a new video. It's completely free, so please do that. And do let me know in comments if you like the video, and what do you think about the video. What is your favorite styling thing or favorite hack from this video, and what next you want to see. So yeah, that's it for now. Bye bye.